This is a not advertised, amazing.
I wasn't focusing on your face.
What?
I wasn't focusing on your face. I couldn't tell. I couldn't tell because it was kind of dark. Anyway.
Alright, this is the not advertised awesomeness of getting a Snuggie. Are you ready for this?
Yes. You might have to be squeezing the sides, like with your legs. Gonna wake Lucas up.
It sounds like it died. The Snuggie is dead. I almost want to just borrow your Snuggie and leave mine forever like this.
You're gonna wake your son up.
Alright, let's stop.